In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear your Roblox cache on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do this is, from the iPhone home screen, select the Settings option or the Settings app. After you load into the Settings app, select General and then click on your device storage options. In there, you should see a list of recommendations and now of your current installed apps. All you have to do in the storage settings is find Roblox within their list. After you find Roblox and select it from the list of your iPhone storage, you should have the button on the middle of your screen to offload the app. This is the equivalent of clearing out the cache on your iPhone's apps, and all you have to do now is select Offload App. After you offload the Roblox cache, you can just open it up and resume playing as usual, and the cache will be properly cleared from your iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to clear your Roblox cache on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.